This is the beginning of the Builder Crash Course. This structure right here, the 800 square foot home, is what we're building. This is not a tiny home as I originally was thinking about, but it's a smaller home that is more like a seed home where it's designed to start with this structure here, and then as you grow financially, you can add on whenever you want. And there are designs in it where there's windows and doors that are covered up with walls when you build it, but these windows and doors and these the headers and the frame there, those will be able to be knocked out and you could expand your home from there. So it's a basic design, but it's an open source design which you could obtain and you'd be able to build on your own. This roof is a slanted roof. It's just basically a tapered roof, very simple to make and very effective. This is built with 2x6s, so you have the extra strength and you could add on an upstairs very easily. This starts out the basic design with an island, a kitchen sink area, a pantry or a laundry area or a bedroom if you want, and then 2 bathrooms. And you could put whatever you want in one of the bathrooms, and then you could expand later into something else. It has a front veranda with a roof over that, and kind of just a deck porch area. So you can see this design is pretty simple and but very customizable, however much you want. And I love this idea. I've actually had this idea before I met Marcin with this Builder Crash Course, and that's why I knew that I needed to help him out because this is exactly what I wanted to do. So it's pretty awesome. All of these walls are essentially wall modules. Wall modules meaning that they are just standalone walls that connect together, and you can make with 1 or 2 people and be able to heft those things, and not have to have any major machinery to do it. So we'll be going through this whole thing and building this thing, and our goal was to build it within 2 weeks. The numbers of builders that we had dwindled over time for various reasons, but so we were only able to get so far, but we're going to be able to finish this thing within a short amount of time. The person that bought this is in a transition with their housing. In a sense, it's a housing crisis because they have a time limit, and so this is a perfect solution for them, and we'll get their story too. It's pretty awesome. Stay tuned.